Introduction. I'm your guide, sharing the ancient art of Soku-Shin-Do, Japanese reflexology, known for relieving back pain, knee issues, paralysis, and more. Today, we'll explore how this powerful technique can transform your well-being. Whether you're seeking relief or learning to help your loved ones, our center offers on-call foot massage services and affordable training for families. Let's begin this journey of healing. What is Soku-Shin-Do? Soku-Shin-Do, rooted in Japanese tradition, is a form of reflexology that uses precise pressure on specific points of the feet to stimulate healing throughout the body. Each area of the foot corresponds to a part of your body, your spine, knees, organs, and even your nervous system. By massaging these points, we release blocked energy, improve circulation, and promote natural healing. We've seen incredible results: reduced back pain, improved knee mobility, and even support for those recovering from paralysis. This isn't just a massage, it's a holistic approach to wellness. Benefits of reflexology. For back pain, reflexology targets the foot's arch, which connects to the spine, relieving tension and improving alignment. Let's talk about why Soku-Shin-Do is so effective. Knee problems. We focus on the outer edges of the foot to reduce inflammation and enhance mobility. For those with paralysis or chronic conditions, reflexology stimulates nerve pathways, encouraging recovery over time. Studies show reflexology can reduce stress, improve sleep, and boost energy, perfect for anyone feeling drained. Our clients leave feeling lighter, balanced, and renewed. We bring Soku-Shin-Do to you with our on-call services. Whether you're at home, work, or a hotel, our trained therapists arrive with care and expertise. Each session is tailored to your needs, whether it's a 30-minute pain relief massage or a full-hour relaxation experience. We use gentle techniques to ensure comfort. Also offers affordable training programs, teaching you how to perform reflexology on your family. Imagine empowering your loved ones with the gift of healing for a minimal cost. A guided reflexology experience. Let's try a brief reflexology visualization. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and imagine a warm, gentle touch on your feet. Picture your therapist applying light pressure to the base of your big toe, easing tension in your neck. Now, they move to the arch, releasing tightness in your lower back. Feel the warmth spreading through your body, calming your mind. Every session feels like this, a moment of peace and recovery. Want to experience it? Book an on-call session or join our training to share this with your family. Our therapists are trained in Soku-Shin-Do and certified to deliver safe, effective treatments. We prioritize affordability, ensuring everyone can access healing. Our family training program is unique, Learn reflexology in just a few sessions and help your loved ones relieve pain at home. We also use eco-friendly products, honoring Nepal's natural heritage. Call to action. Ready to experience the healing power of Soku-Shin-Do. Contact to book your on-call foot massage or sign up for our family training program, or call us to schedule your session. Subscribe to this channel for more wellness tips and share this video with anyone who could benefit from reflexology. Let's spread the healing touch together. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Soku-Shin-Do reflexology.